Jai Hind, I'm Prashant from Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy, and today we have a kid from Vishakhapatnam who has come here to join course 4 of Pratham Perk Foundation course of Doon Defence Academy. And along with him is his uncle, Mr. Suresh Kumar, who is still serving in Indian Navy as a submariner. So first, we will have interaction with Suresh sir. How did he came to know about Doon Defence Academy?
Sir, I came to know about Doon Defence Academy by seeing the YouTube, first of all, and after that, your chairman, Sandeep Sir, is our ex-submariner. He's a very good man. We all will discuss in our free time about the Doon's Defence Academy and our Sandeep Sir. That's the main cause I visited from Vishakhapatnam to this place, and my nephew was very much interested to join in Doon's Defence Academy only. That's the main purpose. I had visited from Vishakhapatnam to Dehradun. बहुत अच्छा लगा. In fact, I had seen everything, barracks, starting from barracks and the school premises. Everything was excellent, and staff was also performing their very best to the kids. And it was an awesome experience for me. And I hope my Likit to join as an ND officer soon with the grace of Doon's Defence Academy. Thank you so much to Sandeep Sir for giving us an opportunity to study in this prestigious project. Thank you.
And Likit, are you ready to join course 4 of Doon Defence Academy?
Yes, sir. Doon Defence Academy was an excellent platform to who wants to join in defence. My uncle, who was an officer in naval, was an great inspiration for me.
Okay.
And my elder uncle was an officer in army. So I was inspired by both of them. So I chose this platform, Doon Defence Academy.
So, which wing of Indian Armed Forces you want to join? Navy, like your uncle?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I want to join in Navy.
Sir, any more words to the naval fraternity who must be listening to other submariners? You already have met Sandeep sir, right?
यस 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 बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है. सबको मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, मैं तो सजेस्ट करता हूँ कि अपने अपने बच्चों को ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म में डालने से एक बढ़िया चीज़ें हम लोग सीखने को मिलेंगे, और उनको एक उम्मीद है कि देश के लिए जैसे अपने जैसे उन लोग भी सेवा कर सकता है. और इट वाज नो वर्ड्स वाला थिंग है वो, मतलब देश को सेवा करना, मतलब इट वाज नो वर्ड्स कम्प्लीटली. दैट थिंग ओनली सोल्जर कैन फील. थैंक यू.
And how was your experience meeting another submariner, a senior to you?
Starting from, I had visited barracks to the living space and office accommodation. Everywhere I used to see some kind of submarine pics and all. It was a heart-touching experience, and same culture and attitude was shown in my home only. That's what I had discussed with Sandeep sir also. So कहीं पे भी जाता हूँ तो मैं वही सबमेरिन का पिक्स ही देख के रह गया ऐसे ही, क्योंकि एक आदमी इतना अच्छा सा सबमेरिन के और पुराना नेवी का डिफेंस के बारे में इतना अच्छा सा अभी तक होल्ड रखा, मतलब इट वाज पर्सनली ए गुड थिंग. मैं सर को, बहुत छोटा आदमी हूँ सर का सामने, बट सर को मैं हमेशा थैंकफुल कहना चाहता हूँ कि बंदों को, बहुत सारे लोगों को ये जान के ऐसे ऐसे बंदा भी है, इनको हम स्कूल में मतलब बच्चों को डाल सकता है और बेस्ट फ्यूचर भी यहाँ पे मिलेंगे करके हम प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये चीज़ मैं सबको बता सकता हूँ.
And have you seen the facilities, infrastructure, and all?
It was simply fantastic and awesome.
Okay, so this is the trust built by the legacy of 22 years. So if you want to join foundation course, only few seats are left. So do it as soon as you want to join it. Thank you. Jai Hind.